It is indeed a pleasure to give you our statement after the just concluded elections, which we thank God they were peaceful. As the leader of this institution, with a national grassroots network and 70 years of age, we engaged in Kenyan political processes since inception for purposes of ensuring that women issues are taken care of by political leaders. Maendeleo led the first President Mama Phoebe Asio to go and visit the founding father, campaigning for 50-50 slots in government. And since that time, we were able to send the first woman to Lancaster, Priscilla Abwao, and from then, you know how we've done politically. We stand on 3 pillars: political, social, and economical pillar. We, therefore, as mothers and custodians of our families, we send a lot of messages from last year. But we are glad that the campaigns we did in 2017, we were able to get quite many MCAs, 3 governors. But after these elections, we've done pretty well. We have been able to get 7 governors from 3, single constituencies 26 from 23, again the 47 women representatives. We are not forgetting the MCAs. It is indeed a significant step towards the Kenyan women participation in the 2 houses. We also want to thank, as we have always done, His Excellency the President for holding the country together during the elections, and we say thank you, sir, as always. We also want to thank the security agencies. They too did a commendable job, not forgetting what we've seen the clergy do, and even the other people who are involved in the elections. Maiwo has come around. During the 70 years, there are times we have to make bold decisions. And this particular time, we want to say we have always supported the government, and we will continue to do so. When the country settles down, we will engage the women who have been elected so that we find a way forward for the many members we represent in this country. It is not enough to go to Parliament, to go to Senate, and just be like a club. It is enough to all of us Kenyan women to sit down and say, what is this one thing we want to do? We are number 3 in the world for girls giving birth at 10 years, and therefore becoming grandmothers at 20 years. And so we want to sit down and look at the poverty, which is with our girls who are very many now in the numbers. What are we going to do to the fistula affecting our girls? So today, I may probably not be going the way you want me to go, but we want to say that this far we have come. Schools are opening today. The children who are in the arid areas, we are asking the government to consider. Some of them have nothing to eat, to be given something as they go to school. First of all, I want to apologize if I didn't thank Kenyans, because we are peaceful, because all of us Kenyans decided to do the right thing. That was to vote and wait for results. As to the other question, you are very clear, according to you, that my choice did not succeed. I have said, when the country settles down, we shall come back here and talk. I represent very many women. I have listened to them thinking that we've been a bit quiet, and I have come here to say the few things I have said. So when the country settles down, we shall talk.
How effective are your efforts to ensure women get position, both in elective positions and other? And by the way, do you attribute the success of the women in gubernatorial position at this election to your efforts, or merely the efforts of individual as women and the choices of Kenyans?
I think all we did as a women organization was to do the call, the decisions of who votes who, is very personal. This is a democratic country, and therefore we don't want to sit here and claim that all these women is because of Maendeleo. We just want to say Maendeleo put a voice, and if our voice helped us to get to where we are, then we thank God, because we have the numbers to do what we really think we need to do for this country, and that is developing this country, Kenya.